Here's a pair of these Soundcore P20i earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a MacBook or iMac via Bluetooth. So the first thing is, let's go to the Bluetooth settings on your MacBook. Okay, so you can click on the top left hand side, the Apple logo, scroll down to System Settings. Now you want to go to Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on here. Okay, now if I scroll down under to nearby devices, that little spinny thing is searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me. Now these aren't going to pop up because we got to put these in pairing mode. So let's go ahead and just take the buds out of here first. Okay, and as soon as you take these out and you put these in your ear, you should hear a chime goes beep, it turns on, and then if it's in pairing mode, you hear something like beep 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 beep. Okay, and if it does that noise, then it's in pairing mode and it should show up down here. Now mine doesn't make that noise because I already know that I'm actually connected to a different device. I'm actually connected to my iPhone here. So for me to put this in pairing mode, I can go to my settings on my iPhone, go to Bluetooth, and you can see that Soundcore, it is connected there. Okay, so I can turn off Bluetooth, or I can click on that disconnect or forget this device. If I do it in any of those three, these will automatically go into pairing mode. Okay, so I'll go ahead and just turn off Bluetooth. Now it should be in pairing mode, and we should be able to, it should show up down here. Let me scroll down. Oh, what do you know? Sometimes if you wait too long, then you have to kind of turn Bluetooth off and turn it back on, let it rescan again. But it found it right there. I'm going to go ahead and click on connect. Oops, I just clicked the wrong one. Hold on. Okay, I'll click the right one now. So, Soundcore P20i, I'll click on connect. Give it 1 second, and now we are connected. Okay, now also if you had trouble pairing or connecting these, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look below in the link in the description area.